back to YouTube. Jay Briz is in Oxford X Chiswick. We're in Oxford Exchange, company for breakfast. As you probably tell by the roundness of my face, I'm rebounding hard. We're going to have breakfast here first. This is one of the most best rated restaurants or places to eat in Tampa, and you can see why. It's very, very nice. It's very upmarket. The breakfast looks banging, the menu looks sick, so we're going to get some breakfast here. We just sat and done some work, got some coffee in, Oddie brewed coffee, very, very good. And then I'm just going to take you around the day. It's going to be a very run and gun, one-star day. Probably be a bit of shopping. We're not training today. I'm traveling until 7:30 tonight from Tampa to Dallas. So we've got kind of a day to kill in Tampa with no training. Just got to get work done, eat some food, and I'll probably show you these guys' meals what I'm going to be eating, because I'm going to keep it pretty clean. And then we will head to Texas later today. So yeah, first things first, let's get some breakfast in. So, I was looking at the menu and I was like, no, I'm not restricting myself. I did this last year and it's made me miserable, so we're going to eat good today. We're sharing, so it's fine. This will be the main big meal. I try not to drink for the rest of the day, but honestly, I'm not going to hold myself back to it. When we get to Texas, Louis will be there and I'll be on point. And even if I'm not, I didn't just end my prep to like keep restricting myself. I'll deal with it later, whatever. Let's eat. Me and Loki got the breakfast tacos, which are unreal. It's like scrambled egg, chorizo, jalapeno, salsa, cheese and tortillas. And then these little crispy potatoes. My dad got, what was it called? Benedict, where it was like, it's basically like a scone with short rib and then an egg on it and then some sauce, tomato sauce, fondue. And then we got a stack of pancakes, obviously, and French toast. The tacos are banging, they sort of are what they're saying it's in. Dad said, oh, you got to try this. I'm assuming the braised shrimp is very good. And we will talk to you about the dessert when we've eaten it, I think. Loki, how's yours?
Mine's so good.
Right, perfect.
So good.
Good. Still warm. Oh my god. They are incredible. They're the best pancakes I've ever had. Yeah, straight up. That's a 9.
Best pancake?
9 out of 10.
Wow.
So I don't know if we've spoken about these on YouTube yet, but these have basically been the theme of our journey to America so far, or our time in America so far. Everyone's loved them so much. So big shout out Glenn Gillen. Because when I get home, I'm going to be using Coke Glen to get some Ghost energy drinks. It's the Warhead Sour Watermelon one. Normally, I'm more of a this is blue raspberry Sour Patch Kids. That'd be like my vibe, but I had that first, and then I tried this, and this is the best one. So this is a Sour Watermelon Ghost. 5 calories in the whole can. Spill a little bit on myself. Just so good. Ghost energy drinks, hands down better than Monster. That I'd say is that's an 8 out of 10. I would put that level actually, to be fair, with the Monster Apple. Green Monster's my favourite, so I'll put that level. But as an arsenal of drinks, Ghost beats Monster. Loki's nodding his head. He agrees.
I agree. Okay, so I got the blue raspberry Sour Patch Kids Ghost energy drink. Downhand, outright, the best energy drink I've ever had was the red one. Was that just like raspberry?
I think, yeah. No, it's just called like something red.
Yeah,
it's like a Sour Patch Red. We're not. I can't. We'll find one later and confirm.
Yes. And that is like hands down the best. I think it's like the best drink I've ever had.
Really?
But this one is the same basically, but in blue, and I don't really rate it, which is very disappointing. Very, very, very disappointing. I'm gonna give this a 6.5 out of 10.
That's quite good though.
It's still drinkable, but I'm not gonna buy it again.
What Monster do you think is comparable to that one? Like, what Monster would you give a 6.5 out of 10?
The purple one.
Oh yeah.
The purple Monster, because that's like, you buy it if that's like the only thing.
Oh, I quite like the purple one.
Maybe the fucking the pineapple one.
Oh yeah, fuck that. That's a 4 out of 10. Dad's given the white cherry That's giving me like Chad vibes at the moment with the cap on backwards. we got a one bar here. We got the lemon cake. So far I've tried birthday cake and the cinnamon roll one. This looks dry, but here goes. The flavour's good. The texture's so boring. I think actually England do it better. Like Carb Killers and the USN Trust Crunch are like the best. This is like a, do you know what, it actually tastes a bit like soap. It tastes like soap. That's a 5 out of 10 protein bar. That's very good. That's better than any of the Gatorades.
Really?
That's a 7.8 out of 10. And I can still taste the soap. That was not a good purchase. Right, now we're going to go to the car and then we're going to drive to the airport. And then we're going to go to Texas. This has been the worst vlog, man. We've done fuck all today. Apart from eating a real good breakfast. And do work. Sorry about that. Maybe we'll make it into like a 2-day vlog. Yeah. House tour in Texas tomorrow morning. Yeah. We'll keep this rolling. So, last night we were in the supermarket and Loki was like, oh, who the fuck would eat that? And it was like this pickle in a bag. And I was like, I would eat that every day of prep and I'd even eat it now. It's not in there, that's for sure.
Dollar, man.
Yeah, bro. So turn. We've got actually ages to our flight. 2.5 hours. So we're gonna have to rate some food, I think, in the airport. Come on. I told you we're cleaning up today. We've not eaten anything. I'm not eating anything apart from that half a protein bar and breakfast. I think I've done myself a good service today. I've got 2 salads from Qdoba Mexican Eats. They're pretty banging. One's grilled chicken, one's grilled steak. Halfway through the first one. In terms of the salad, I'd give this like a solid 8 out of 10. It's a very good salad. The Mexican's my favourite. Fantastic. Grilled chicken in there, grilled steak, jalapenos, bit of cheese, leaves, and cooked veg, and then the infamous. Let's get this done quickly. Chick-fil-A nuggets with, is there a special Chick-fil-A sauce?
Yeah.
This is a special Chick-fil-A sauce. This is the first time I've ever eaten Chick-fil-A. I've got the nuggets because they're pretty low calorie. I think they're like 300 calories. And it's going to be all protein. I'm not going to lie, the texture is very processed. The taste is good. I'd give them a 5.9 out of 10. They're nice, but they're not blowing me away.
Damn.
Let's let Loke have his dinner. We'll be back for more Chick-fil-A later in this series in Texas, I'm sure, for like burgers and shit. Just not today. Alright, we've got choices. It's either this big Dodge Ram, the silver one with the chrome wheels, but for the suitcases, if it rains, it's wet. Or it's this big white bad boy over here. I think we'll take that. Yeah, we'll take that. Give them a little 360 view of the Wagoneer. That's a bad boy interior. Got more features than iOS 5. Juju man, Juju do it. Oh my word. Right, you've seen the car. You've not seen the house yet, but we just got here. I'm gonna keep my voice down because I don't know where everyone's sleeping. Day 1 outro is here. We'll see you in the morning. What's up, YouTube? It's Tuesday, it's the day after. We're all settled in Dallas, Texas. Got a loud road behind us. We're gonna go to the supermarket shortly, but first, welcome to my crib. Over here, the dining room, which is not gonna get used at all, I don't think, because you can't work at the table because they're too far away from the plugs, and the rest of the house is too nice, but we're gonna show you the dining room with the 2.4 million chandelier. Right, now given you are in a house with 4 bodybuilders, including Andy Hillocks, this is where the magic happens. Andy's cooking up some magic right now. Josh is feeling the magic right now. He's carb loading. How many carbs do you weigh? He's got to do 1,000. I don't know how many he's done so far, but let's leave him to eat. That's the kitchen. And here we have the main event, the living space. How big do you reckon our TV is? 100-inch TV. Yeah. The seating area, the balcony,
which is a bridge,
which we'll show you shortly. Here's my living quarters, obviously tiny as fuck. You know, not the decor I would have gone for with the sort of lemon walls and the orange feature on the carpet, but I respect the coordination. We come through into the bathroom, which is approximately the same size as my whole flat in London. There's enough room in here to swing many dead cats.
Whoa. Why did you say that?
It's in English, so
is it?
People get it. Obviously the walk-in shower with the rain head. I've got a smear there of Violet Crush for Blonde because my hair's going very brassy at this point, but here's what it is. In here we have something that I deserve, a walk-in wardrobe, and I've managed to fill about 1/5 of it with my clothes. It's only fair that we take you outside. This is where the parents are getting their holiday in. Not right now, they've gone top golf. So we've got the full length pool. We've got the barbecue, which is going to be again exercise tonight. Definitely having some steak and some chicken on that later. Dining area, the outdoor dining area over here. We have the hammock and the fire pit. I didn't even realise we had a fire pit until just now. But we have a fire pit. I'm going to show you my dad's living quarters because I think this is probably the sickest living quarters. As you can see, each bedroom is basically a little apartment in itself. So my dad, I would call this a kitchenette, but realistically this is the whole kitchen. He's got his double bed, he's got his foosball table, he's got 2 treadmills in case one wasn't enough, the corner sofa, the pool table, which it looks like someone's played pool on because they're all been slotted.
I have.
Have a game of pool?
Yeah.
Look at a game of pool. On your own?
Yeah.
Okay. I need to show you the sickest bathroom. So here we have the Bridge of Dreams, which takes you to Josh's, Louis, and Andy's living quarters, as well as Gain and Bridgman. So come on up. There's only one thing I want to show you upstairs, because it's everyone's private living areas, but rest assured, there's 3 massive bedrooms up here, and this is the bathroom. The jacuzzi tub, with the gold accents, of course, all in the shower, all in the tub. And that kind of concludes the house tour.
Okay, that it doesn't seem too comfortable.
It's pretty comfy. That is the Welcome to Dallas video complete. I hope you enjoyed this one. Please do like, comment, subscribe. There's some very, very exciting videos coming up next. We're going to be wrapping up the show, wrapping up my post-show feelings, telling you exactly what's next. And we have a very, very, very special guest on the channel for a Push and Arms Day down at Destination Dallas. Peace!